Hello everyone, today we have a toolkit by Amazon Basics and we are going to check out what do we get inside of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly unpack it. So here we have it. Firstly, we have these screwdrivers over here. Let me take them out. So these are the 3 screwdrivers that you're going to find out of small sizes, and then we have the 2 large screwdrivers over here as well. They've got the rubber grip on the bottom side and also the Amazon Basics branding over here. Also, let me tell you that one of them is a tester, and on it, as you can see, it can support from 100 volts to 500 volts. Also, we have a clip holder on this tester. The other thing that we get inside the box is this wrench, and as you can see, this is adjustable. Moving forward, we also get to see a cutter. Then we also get to see 2 pliers inside of the box. We also have this hammer over here. There you go. That's how it looks. And on the bottom side, of course, we have the rubber grip. Moving forward, we also get to see Allen keys over here in different sizes. Then we have these screw attachments which you can use with the main unit that we get over here. And let me show you how it's done. So it is magnetic in nature. All you've got to do is pop this inside of it and it is ready to be used. And last but not the least, we've got the electrical tape in the black color. That's all folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the Amazon Basics Toolkit. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hello everyone, today we have with us the 41-piece magnetic ratchet screwdriver set, and we are going to check out what do we get inside of this box. So without any further ado, let's quickly unpack it. So right here we have the toolkit. As you can see, it comes in a red and black color. Let's quickly open it up as well. This is the lock over here. You can pop it open like this. And there you go. So here we have the main unit. As you can see, it comes in a red and black dual tone and has also got this rubber grip. Also, let me tell you, you can use any of these attachments and they will magnetically attach to your main unit. There you go. Let me also show you another example. That's how simple it is to use these attachments. Moving forward, we've also got this extension attachment. With the help of this, you can use these other attachments, pop them on like this, and then use your main unit. Also with this, we've got a small extension arm over here. So you can pop this inside of it. And there you go. Now our main unit is extended. Let me also give you a close look to all the attachments that we have over here. That's all folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the Amazon Basics 41-piece magnetic set. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Hanging a frame sounds like an easy job, right? Well, for some people, it's like building a ship. And for some, it's a smooth sail. Introducing the Stanley Hammer Drill and Hand Tools Kit. Easy drilling with spin and strike action. Can be used on multiple surfaces. Comes with special ergonomic design.
And welcome. Going to be unboxing and having a look at the Bosch Professional GSP 500 RE Impact Drill. This is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the impact drill looks like. We've got several features being listed. First being that this thing will not skip screws when you're screwing in or using this device to insert screws. It's got double insulation, and here are some of the key metrics. The entire kit comes in a hard plastic shell casing. There's the Bosch branding on the front side. A tamper-proof sticker on one side, and as well as a little advert on the other side. Here's the entire kit. It's not going to fit in the screen, so we're going to flip this around. On the inside, you've got an instruction manual. Obviously, you should always read through the instruction manual to understand how to operate the device. And there's also a little warranty card that should be filled in. And then you have the entire toolkit. Why don't we look at this from the right side towards the left? So here's the tape measure. You've got the CRV bits. You've got a nice container or place for keeping a lot of additional tools or equipment that you might need. Then there's the cutter or knife. You've got the different drill bits organized in a convenient manner. You've got the wood drill bits, the masonry bits, and the metal bits. Then on the left hand side, you've got the drill machine, the impact drill, the adjustable wrench, the combination plier, spirit level, hammer, all the sockets inside the magnetic bit holder. Then there are the screws as well as the roll plugs. And lastly, I believe we've already mentioned drill. We've got a nice plastic cover for the chuck. Now let's take a closer look at the drill machine. The chuck on the device is, as we saw earlier, 10 millimeters, which means all the drill bits, or the maximum size of drill bit it can support is 10. And you can see that the maximum size drill bit, even in the packaging, is only 10. Coming to the device itself, you've got the button for turning it on. And in case you've turned it on and want to keep it turned on, there's the lock mechanism. Then this is a little slider for figuring out which direction the chuck should rotate in. You can reverse it or go in the normal direction. And on the top side, you've got the impact or normal mode. The hammer symbol signifies impact mode, and the drill bit symbol signifies normal mode. And over here is the key, which you can use to open up the chuck. It's always conveniently placed over here so that you never end up losing it. The cable uses a 2-pin plug, and this is about roughly 1.5 meters long. So that's it for the unboxing of the Bosch GSB 500 RE Impact Drill Kit. Thank you.
And plumbing. The kit has all that you will ever need. First and foremost, a 500-watt powerful drill gun, used for drilling into wood, steel and concrete. With an all-ball bearing construction, rigid body for long life of simple and effective usage. The hammer mode and smooth function ensures stress-free work not just for men but for women too. The powerful drill has multiple functions like clock and counterclockwise rotation, speed selection and lock mechanism, making this tool a very handy screwdriver as well. With that comes along a wide range of accessories that lets you take care of any problem in a jiffy. Accompanied are 3 types of drill bits: concrete bits, wood bits, steel bits. These drill bits are accompanied with screws and nylon plugs. And for those screwing applications, a 10-piece, star, hex and minor screwdriver bits come very handy. And all this in a compact, easy to